Hello everyone. In case you've seen my new post from today, I got two new push along items. Well, characters rather than items. Those are the push along All Engines Go Harold and surprise surprise, the push along All Engines Go Toby. Before filming this, I can't decide on who I should unbox first, but then I decided to unbox Harold first since I'm gonna save this one for last. That's right, I'm gonna be unboxing Harold. Oh, but before I do, I'd like to point out that his third blade is is right is right under his underblade. This was done so he can have more. This was done so he can fit in with the packaging, which isn't actually a bad idea. Out comes Harold, and this is the box. Gonna go over there. Now, there's other, and now to get other blade. And here we go. It's Harold, everyone. I am very, very happy to have Harold in my collection. No. I already have the Harold, but that one's from the first Talking Percy. The one I just unboxed the one I just unboxed along with a lot for 2023. Thank you so much for so many views on those guys. I couldn't have done it without you. But anyways, well, especially the last part. But anyways, here's Harold. Here's the back. This spins. So does his rotor blades. Well, somewhat, yeah. Here's the top, and here's underneath. Just as Harold. And I do love Harold as a character, and this is why I decided to get him. Because he's no longer that cheeky cop helicopter I guess we all know and love. Don't judge me. Don't judge. But anyways, this Harold is actually one of the most better push along items in terms of accuracy. And Mattel has got everything right with this Harold. This Harold is truly accurate to his reboot counterpart. I love Harold. Yeah, he's one of the new push along items that I got at Walmart along with Toby. And well, okay, long story short, he's in their he's in their system. Toby, on the other hand, isn't. But yeah, they're both they both have the same price because, well, they cost less than the bigger engines. And and I do love the detail. I love the blades. Everything Mattel has certainly knocked it out of the park with this Harold. So I highly, well, I would give it a 10 out of 10. So I highly recommend getting this Harold. I highly recommend it. Well, that's gonna do it on Harold. But it's not over yet because I got Toby to unbox. Like I said, I'm gonna do it in a separate video. So stay tuned for that.